Ladies and gentlemen, motorsport fans, welcome. Today, we're diving into the 2012 FIA GT1 World Championship, one of the most exciting seasons in GT racing history. Buckle up because we've got intense battles, stunning cars, and a dramatic championship fight to cover. The FIA GT1 World Championship was a premier GT racing series that brought together high-performance sports cars and elite drivers. The 2012 season was the third and final edition, featuring a shift from the original GT1 regulations to a GT3-based format. This change allowed manufacturers like Audi, BMW, Ferrari, and Mercedes-Benz to compete on equal footing, making for thrilling races. The season featured 9 rounds across 4 continents, starting in France at Nogaro and ending in India at Bude International Circuit. Fans were treated to battles at legendary tracks like Zolder, Navarra, and the Slovakia Ring. Each weekend had a qualifying race and a championship race, where teams fought for valuable points. With GT3 regulations in place, the field was packed with talent. Teams like all-incale.com Munich Motorsport with their Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG GT3 and Hexus Racing with their McLaren MP412 CGT3 were among the frontrunners. Drivers such as Mark Bassing, Marcus Winkelhock, and Frederick Makowiecki delivered standout performances. Throughout the season, the battles were intense, with close wheel-to-wheel racing and dramatic finishes. As the season progressed, consistency became crucial. In the end, it was the German duo of Mark Bassing and Marcus Winkelhock, driving for all-incale.com Munich Motorsport, who claimed the Drivers' Championship. Their strong performances, combined with strategic team efforts, secured them the title. Despite an incredible season, 2012 marked the end of the FIA GT1 World Championship. Financial and logistical challenges led to the series being discontinued, but its legacy lived on as GT racing continued under the FIA umbrella. And that wraps up our look at the 2012 FIA GT1 World Championship, the final chapter in this high-speed saga. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorsport content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite GT racing moment? See you in the next video!